Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Redbubble for earning passive income. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Redbubble website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account and gain access. Once logged in, navigate to the Sell Your Art section on the website. Select the option to upload your artwork. Prepare your designs in high-resolution image formats. Upload your artwork following the guidelines provided by Redbubble. Choose the type of products you want your designs to appear on. This may include items like t-shirts, stickers, or wall art. Customize the placement of your artwork on each product. Add titles, tags, and descriptions to optimize your products for search. Make sure to use relevant keywords to improve visibility. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your products available. Your designs will now be listed on the Redbubble marketplace. Promote your products using social media or your personal website. Monitor your sales through the Redbubble dashboard. Check for earnings and adjust your strategy if needed to increase income. Engage with your audience for better brand connections. Keep creating and uploading new designs to expand your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.